Hi, my name is Justin with Ambient Marketing Solutions, and today I'm going to provide you with one tip. Being in sales for such a long time, I hear a lot of people say, "Oh, we don't do any advertising." That's a big mistake. In the fast-paced world that we live in today, not being able to get with the times and even invest in your website is a horrible mistake. Some prime examples is Toys R Us going out of business just last year without being able to invest in another online business. And another example would be a Barnes & Noble, with Amazon taking over everything and anything. SEO isn't a form of advertising. It's essentially a representation of your business. It's a 24/7, 365-day salesperson that's able to get customers to your business. A well-optimized website is better than a brick-and-mortar store. As people are searching for your products and services, you pop up first. A great example is a supermarket. The bigger brands understand that product placement is everything. At eye level, they generate more sales. Same thing with SEO. Placement is also everything. You want to be at that number one spot to be able to generate more business through your website. Don't think of SEO as a form of advertising. Think of it as a way to build your brand. If you're not confident in your 24/7 salesman, change it. Invest in SEO. Don't get left behind.